Hi guys, today is 26th January 2026 and we are all set to go. Our I-20 is on the way, it's coming. Chandu and Surya is bringing and this is going to be start of a new vlog. Chalo, once the vehicle will come, we'll start continue the vlog. And here our boys are sitting.
Hi, namaskara.
Study.
Hi, namaskara.
ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಬಟ್
Surprise visit. Okay.
We are waiting for Surya and Chandu to come and Pranav is a surprise for them because they don't know Pranav is coming, so we'll see their reaction. Full reaction first starting vlogs naga full reaction ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Come bro.
What is he doing, bro?
ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಭಾಳ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Hi guys. Chandu. Bro. Hi guys, so we just crossed Mysore now and we are on the way to
Virajpet.
Virajpet.
So first we'll cross Madikeri to Virajpet.
Came to CCD. These two people had coffee. We didn't have it.
Cappuccino.
First time village guy, no? First time. He just wanted to try cappuccino.
He came out of his village. Village fellow. We are at about 90 kilometers away.
Yeah,
70. And there is our group. There is one tripod. We are shooting some reels. We'll add it in Instagram. We'll continue next. We'll show once the Ghat section starts. We'll show some.
See you guys.
What bro made me end.
तुझे कैसे बयां करें, कहने तुझे ये दिल मेरे के बोलो न क्या करे, दिल जो तुम्हारा है.
We have entered the Ghat section now. I'm in the sunroof. It's sunny, not so much cold right now, but I think by night it will be cold. Yeah. Chalo, I'll go inside. We are,
What's up, boys?
Recording one car video in the Ghat section.
Yeah.
Record that side, this side or Anna wants this side. Oh, no. Bro.
Okay guys, so we have entered the Club Mahindra Road now. This straight 4 kilometers. Boys took their restroom. We will go to resort and continue there. I'll show you the resort. Hi guys, so just now we reached Club Mahindra and we are waiting for the check-in. They greeted us with some, what is that bro? What do you call it?
Coffee with a jaggery, something they're calling it, I don't know, but it was good.
It's good. Once we'll get the rooms, we'll show you guys how is the room. So far the resort looks amazing.
In room only it will be.
Everyone is enjoying their drink. Sure. Hi guys, so we just now checked in and we have taken 2 rooms here. So these are like a cottage kind of, and here are our 2 rooms backside. I will give you a room tour now. I'll just turn this one. So the 2 rooms, we have kept all the luggages and everyone is here. Just chilling for a while. I'll show you the another room. Both rooms are same. Here is the other room. And let me turn on the lights. Yeah. Here they are given cupboard and luggage to keep. There are 2 bedrooms here. One is in this side with the kitchen. We can get drinking water there. And this is 1 bedroom, double bed. And another bedroom is over here. The TV. And this is the washroom. And here is me. And this is the balcony. We like this balcony more compared to that one. Actually, in one room, 4 people is there, is allowed. So we were 5 people, so we booked 2 rooms, and it's quite good. And we liked, everyone liked it. Yeah, I will show you the other room view. Both are the same, but there's a connected room that side, so we thought this balcony will be good for chilling and all. Both rooms will use as it is side by side, so I'll show you the another one. So this is the another balcony. I will show you view. This is very good. It's not focusing. Yeah, it's a full cloudy, nice cloudy. Turn the camera one second. Yeah. So after noon we took some rest. We bought some cup noodles, we ate that. Later we all went to pool videos there. I will add it somewhere before. It's not in my phone. Now we are drinking tea.
Yeah. Tea guys, North Kannada guys. We need tea.
Before drinking tea, we have ordered food now. We will go to collect that near the entrance. Here inside, cooked food is not allowed, but we'll manage somehow a little bit.
We're trying to manage, okay. We need to manage or else very costly.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Pranav was about to be in the frame, but some father called, so
Family call.
yeah, he went. Bani Pranav.
So we guys had a great swim. It was fun. We did a lot of vlogging.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
Video time. Video record.
The thing is, first
It's not
video
in my
he did
phone.
not record. First time when we kept.
Hey, no, it was there.
No, he did not record. He did not press the record button.
Hey,
It was there. After 3 minutes, it got cut.
I was recording it in 4K.
Yeah, that's what. Surya's phone is very. Surya is big, but phone is small only.
He thought
So
he
he
was
couldn't
in
handle
questions.
it. Surya by last he is taking bath.
Yeah.
Once he comes, food will come. We'll eat.
And
We'll
then we'll
sleep.
sleep.
We'll rest.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Right.
Yeah.
We came to collect our food now. We need to sneak in our food as cooked food is not allowed inside the rooms and all. So they are taking car key and we'll take all the snacks and all inside the food. The cafe is here only. See, something, the name is, I don't know what it is, but it is here only. We'll take food. We have to keep in bag so that we can take it in our house. Okay, I will show you. कसरत चल रहा है कसरत. ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯುದು. Good morning, guys. It is next day, 27th January, and we had a good night yesterday. All had food. The food was good. Then everyone just fainted because leaving Nagraj, no one slept yesterday night because of excitement of trip.
Early to the bed, early to the right.
Yeah.
7:30, 7 o'clock I woke. Had a good walk.
Not today.
Yeah.
Before coming.
Yeah. Sleep is important in life. Whatever.
Yeah, even I tried, but I couldn't sleep. So it's fine. That excitement should be there. And Pranav is calling me. We'll call him later.
Not Pranav, it's Surya by our bus.
So about today, we will be planning now. Those people just now woke up. We woke up at around something. I woke up at 7:30, then I slept again. 8:30 I woke up. Yeah, Maharaj went for a walk, early morning walk.
At 6:30. Came back around 7:38.
What is out there? That side we call
Yeah, spa, gym, and had a good nature walk.
Just now we made some coffee. Now I'll show you our halal or tripod setup. How it is our best investment for the trip to vlog and all. Everywhere he will be our cameraman, standing for us. We'll let you know once the
It's tripod.
we'll let you know once the itinerary is done, and we'll continue.
I don't think there is a itinerary. First a breakfast, then wherever we finish to go.
So I came for a walk and talked with my mom. The resort is very good. So far just it is about showing the resort only. Once we head out, I will show you some views and all. I will capture in my memory. Yeah. So guys, what we have decided? Someone explain.
Okay, we have decided to extend our stay by 1 day. We are shifting from Virajpet Club Mahindra to we are going to Madikeri Club Mahindra. All thanks to
Chandu bhai.
Jai Chandu. Jai Chandu babu.
So right now we are going to explore this place called Hay Shack, have food, chill, then come back. Then we'll all be in the resort, go to swimming pool.
Again?
No.
What?
Swimming for vlog is telling.
Cut. This also cut.
And after this, we'll sleep early, have dinner,
Yesterday slept early.
Then next morning we'll be checking out of here and traveling around 20-30 kilometers. We're shifting to a Club Mahindra's new property. Very nice.
Another property.
It is new, it seems.
Jai Babu.
You only told no, bro.
Bro, I went it in my...
It's in deep forest. It was.
Okay. Whatever, we'll explore forest. We'll see coffee estates on the way. We'll steal some tea leaves. Coffee
And
leaves
my budget is being...
1 lakh.
Handled by
Yeah,
our
no.
everyone budget.
My budget is taken care of Nagaraj.
You will not find me in the next video. In Bangalore.
We'll drop into bus stop and continue our ride.
Going back. Bangalore.
That's it.
Listen guys,
That's
we'll
all,
meet
that's all
you
done.
Next well,
afternoon.
well,
Next
no,
part.
Once we get ready, we'll meet.
We'll get ready, travel, we'll meet you in the car.
Bye.
Good afternoon, guys. We are heading to the lunch. One good cafe. We have searched.
What is the name of the cafe, Nagaraj?
High Shack. In previous video, in previous vlog, Pranav has mentioned it. So we are heading there. We'll meet you soon there. Bye.
He is improving his English by my vlog. This is Kurk's song, it seems. Pranav told. Listen. We have reached our cafe.
Strategy might can be benefit because customer understand brands easily. Marriott stays stronger than competitors like
Which movie, Naraj?
2021.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara he's recreating that scene actually. He is doing presentation on vacation. He is doing presentations here. That's why I should complete before. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು Food is done now. We are standing here because Pranav is going and we'll do one video of a car moving like.
Pranav not going.
Yeah, actually guys, we are trying to
Pranav
get
going there,
we are trying to get a shot for our vlog, so
Come like this.
See, preparing.
Preparing, huh?
oh my god.
For preparing, bro.
What preparing? Food, huh?
Oh my god, Shiv, we can't. Oh my
Even I can't.
You can be.
Hey Surya.
Surya!
Hi guys, now we came to one tea plantation here just for to see view and all. After food we thought of going back to our resort, but then I checked one place like tea plantation. I searched where we can go, and we got one within one around 40 kilometers something. So we came just to chill for a drive also.
This is the tire we are doubting.
Our I-20 has some issue because of issue with the air pressure. Shows wrong readings, so you know how we will be. If it shows something wrong, will be like the mileage is not coming or something. So so we took a stop and we checked the air pressure.
You know why it is called nature's call?
Why?
Because you need to do it by seeing nature.
saw nature from backside.
Full I went there.
Actually, you can see.
ಏ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು
ಪಂಚರ್ಪಣ ಹಿಂಗ
ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
If we be with together, that time only. Total 3 phone.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು
ಫುಲ್
ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಬಟರ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ
These two extra now.
Good morning, guys. Today is yeah, actually we got late. We had to pack. What's the date today?
So date is 29.
29th
No, yeah.
January 2026.
Sorry, 28.
28 January 2026. Okay. So we are all packed. Everything we have done now. Packing and everything is done. And we'll leave from Mahindra Virajpet.
To Coorg, Mahindra. Sorry, Mahindra.
Madikeri.
Mahindra Madikeri.
Mahindra Madikeri will go
Which is one
for
hour.
one day stay there.
Which is 1 hour far away from here. Around 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers away from here. So heading there. We'll see how the environment and rooms are there. And we'll give you the room tour of that.
Yeah. Naraj will be doing that thing. Huh?
Content, full content. Have a good time. Good day.
This was our Virajpet.
Yeah, room number 2020 and 2021.
It was a hell of experience, I
Yeah.
can say.
Nice experience.
When we checked in, we didn't come this side. We directly went to room and went to pool. So
Area we have not explored.
now we are checked out almost. Our car is coming. Till then we were roaming here and there. Could have gone to the lake, I guess. Yesterday it would have been. It was night. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲೇಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟ
ಇದೇ ರೋಡ್ ಅದು.
Wait, I'll show you. There was cricket was also. So play cricket. That was So we have reached Club Mahindra Madikeri now. It's like a heritage kind of property. This property is very good. We are waiting for our rooms check in. The juice we have done to us. So now we are going to our room. They have given us band. You got yours, sir? I also got it.
Purple membership.
Huh? Oh, for that it is. Chandu's father has taken purple membership in our Club Mahindra. So it's a premium. What do you call it, bro? Premium?
It's a second tier level membership.
Yeah. So. This is one room, and the other one is over here. There's a bedroom over here. Attached washroom, sexual double connection. View here. Nice view. And here is balcony. So now we are going towards the pool. Pranav, Nagaraj and Surya wanted to swim and chill sometime. I'm not in the mood now. I don't know how to swim, but last time I learned a little bit. But now I'm not in mood to swim at all. A little bit tired. I'll just sit there and relax. Yeah. Pose. पढ़ना क्या है? Pranav wants to say something.
Whatever party you guys saw back, that is not a party. Come to room number 2168 and 2169 tonight ASAP. Let's bang!
Bang it! Good morning, guys. It's 29th January today now, and the time is 9:20 something morning. Just now I woke up. around 15-20 minutes before. Everyone is sleeping still. My bag is in the another room, so I don't have my brush or anything in this room. I was sleeping. Me, Nagaraj, and Pranav. No, I simply came out because those people were not lifting the call, and I am walking barefoot. It's good actually for your health. And once these people will get up, I will take my bag and I will get ready. As we leave today, it's just for us to see how the resort is. So we came here, this resort of Madikeri, as we were nearby, and it was vacant. So anyway, it is free to stay. So we came. Okay, I'll continue once everyone gets up. Surya bhai woke up now. Good morning, bro.
Good morning, bro.
Coming, wait. Chandu is still sleeping. It's 10 o'clock now.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗೇನೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ.
Hello guys, now we are all ready. Dead end now. So we are all ready and we came for a walk. We took some photos there only in front of our room. Now Chandu is getting ready. He's ready, but we told him to sit around because he don't want to walk anywhere. He called sick. Call my name. So next, hey boys.
Next,
Hmm.
we are sad
No.
that we are leaving very early. Record agilla.
ಇದೆ
We are all sad that we are leaving early, but we'll make up for it in the next trip. After exams.
Yes.
We hope so. Our trip again will get success nice like this.
Yep.
We enjoyed a lot.
How is the resort, guys? This one?
Resort is so good
Your English is like this.
because you are there on the side. That's why.
Correct only. Now next where, bro? Which some spices you wanted to buy? Which one?
To Coorg.
So I want to buy few spices. Like Coorg is best for spices and all. And then I will buy few
Coffee.
oil bottles, which is a little bit of Ayurvedic type. So these things next we are heading to.
You told coffee also will buy, no? Chandu told, no?
Chendu told coffee.
Yeah.
we will buy.
Okay. We'll continue later. See you. Different kinds of tea and coffees are here. Came to one shop here where oil, coffee, and snacks, kind of something we are getting here. I bought something called Jeera Guri. I ate it when I was kid, so I liked it. I bought it. Surya bought some oil, Chandu bought coffee powder.
అదే వాడి దగ్గర జాస్మిన్ కానీ శాండిల్ కానీ
Just
మొత్తం
shopping. Okay, continue. So now we had our food. We had it late. Now it's 5 o'clock, 5:15, and we are 200 kilometers away from Bangalore. So yes, boys,
Yeah, we had a good trip. Enjoyed a lot.
will come. No, this won't be good. This condition. Yeah, sun. Yes. So it's time to end this vlog and continue some other day.
Get back to the basics of life.
Everyone add your some points.
Felt
So
good. Chandu, thank you for this.
thank you Chandu and his father for sponsoring the stay in Club Mahindra, and Pranav also big thanks.
Big thanks to Pranav.
Big shout out to Pranav because he made it to the trip.
Yeah, actually.
We don't know after reaching Bangalore he'll be meeting us. We have named him Akka Flashman.
అక్క ఫ్లాష్ మనం
AK Pranav.
హెల్ప్
So my storage got full, so we shifted to Chandu's phone now. It's
Other
almost
people very big guy.
2 TB big. Okay.
Your motivation.
How's the trip? How's your experience?
Trip was very beautiful, amazing, serendipitous, very
For finally making the trip possible before we leave this college.
What trip?
we will
Who
go
is telling
bro.
next vlog if he finds no, then I'll tell her.
After we are earning monthly once.
Next vlog if you find Pranav na Nagaraj will pay the full bill.
Yes, done.
Yeah, nothing.
In this video only. Done.
Like this only, he promised so many things. Did nothing.
Because that time now no money, no? That time,
Now you have money.
that time Pranav will not come, no?
That guarantee.
Yeah, yeah.
Confidence.
Very nice confidence bro.
Okay.
All free bites, bro.
Okay, guys.
Like a
See you in the next vlog.
Until next time.
Yes.
Namaste and Shubharati.
This is my time now. We'll end the vlog. I will add something if any interesting things comes on the way to our PG. So, chalo. Shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Yes! This time I did perfectly. Chalo, bye bye. See you. Now we are standing where we told. While coming also, we had the issue with FASTag because we paid the amount, but still there was no amount in that, and it was showing blacklisted something. Now again it came the same thing, so we don't want to waste extra amount on that, because if you don't have FASTag, you have to pay the double amount. Like if it is 175, you have to pay 350 something. So we are waiting. We called the owner of the car and let's see, because we already paid 700 or 800 something while coming. Still it's showing low balance, insufficient fund. So we are waiting here near the toll from Mysore alive? Mysore toll, Mysore to Bangalore highway. It's very good. Okay. We'll update what is the outcome for calling one of that. We decided to go in the service road itself because that FASTag guy, the owner told to get a new FASTag instead of, because the bank, there was an issue with bank, so we'll reach somehow.